new streamer, and it's Cat trying to get baseball. I hope you enjoy this video. The cat is trying to get the baseball. He's went behind the TV now. Onesies. Come on. Baseball. Get the baseball. Playing a wee game, and see if he comes out and see if he wants to try and catch the baseball now. Onesies. Hiding behind the. Oh, here he comes. Here he comes. Might try and get it. You can see. And he catches the baseball. Oh, he's not playing ball, but I hope you've enjoyed this video, and give me a comment, thumbs, and like, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.